There's Natty playing in the water. Get it, girl. He loves the water. Sorry about the sun, but there's Natty again. I'll show you the waterfall. A little bit of it, you can see it. Beautiful. It's a little fall. We'll get some more. Sorry about the sun. Hopefully you can see it. And then down is a nice little seat if you want, middle of the summer. Just sitting down right there enjoying life. Boy, what a beautiful day. We're at Three Sisters Falls. It's a beautiful day. Alright, I'll show you Danelle. There's Nellie. She's one of the sisters. That's right, look at Natty, loving the water again. Okay. Well, we'll get more from up top if we go. Alright. See ya.